Can a summons lead to a default judgment? Imagine receiving a letter from the court that says you are being sued. That letter is called a summons. It's an official document that tells you you are part of a legal case. Now, you might wonder what happens if you ignore it. Can ignoring a summons cause a court to decide the case without you? The answer is yes, it can. If you do not respond or show up in court within the time given, the court can make a decision in favor of the other side. This is called a default judgment. A summons is served to you along with a complaint. The complaint explains what the other person or company claims you did wrong. The summons gives you a deadline, usually between 20 and 30 days, to reply. Proper service of these papers is very important. It means the court has officially notified you about the case and has the right to hear it. If the papers are not served correctly, the case might be delayed or dismissed. If you do not answer or appear in court by the deadline, the court clerk can record that you are in default. Once that happens, the person suing you can ask the court to give a default judgment. This means the court will decide the case in their favor because you did not defend yourself. They may ask for money owed, court costs, or other relief. To get a default judgment, the person suing you files a request with the court. They often include proof that you were properly served with the summons and complaint. The court then reviews the request. If everything is in order and the court believes you were properly notified, it can grant the default judgment. Sometimes, the court will hold a hearing to decide how much money you owe or what other actions are needed. A default judgment is a binding decision. It means the person suing you can use it to collect money or enforce the court's order. They might garnish your wages, seize money from your bank account, or take other legal steps to get what they are owed. From the courtroom perspective, the summons is what starts the whole process. It makes sure you know about the case and have a chance to respond. If you ignore it, the court can proceed without you, which often leads to a default judgment. That's why it's so important to respond on time and follow the instructions in the summons. It keeps your rights protected and helps you avoid losing the case by default.